Well, I'm here at the Tampa International Airport, but let me tell you my winter storm airport chaos story. Well, it all happened last night when I realized, oh shit, my flights got cancelled. So I was quite lucky actually, because I initially booked the flight on the wrong date. So they canceled the flight due to the storm.
A serious winter storm is causing airlines across the country to cancel hundreds of flights to and from several cities on the East Coast.
And I had a chance to call customer service. However, JetBlue would not rebook me on another flight together with Francis the next day because they were out of flights. They had to cancel so many flights due to the snowstorm. But they gave me a full refund, which is awesome because I could book new flights with Southwest, which were pretty much the same price. But I have to have a layover in Baltimore, which is just 50 minutes, which is not much, especially due to all the delays and the snowstorm. But we will see. From now on, it's just luck. Well, there's my airplane, but I don't think we can make the boarding in like 2 minutes. Anyways, it looks good so far until Baltimore. But I hope I don't get stuck in Baltimore. -9 degrees Celsius or 16 degrees Fahrenheit in Baltimore, but at least no snow. Thank you, thank you. I think this is my first flight with Southwest, and it's so confusing with like these boarding groups. Alright, I made it to Baltimore. I didn't film in that flight because I had a middle seat and it was weird to just like lean over and film. However, I landed. Boarding for the next flight starts in 10 minutes and I do not know where my gate is. I have to go to B and C. Let's find out. Probably have to run. Well, running really hurts because I got new boots and I didn't break the boots in yet. So it really hurts. I made it. It looks like boarding just started.
Okay, mate.
Well, I hope this time I get a window seat. It's cold again. It's really freezing in this gateway.
Well, it's cold, so.
With strong winds, so hopefully you are prepared clothing-wise. Thanks.
That was definitely one of the most scariest flights I've ever been on. We had like 20 minutes delay because we had to circle 3 or 4 times. Making those circles was almost like hell because it was so turbulent and so much like wind and turbulences. It was just, well, I'm thankful for those really good pilots because that was really good job. The runway was just ice, like you probably saw it in the footage. But now it's midnight. I need to get to the baggage claim. Everything's closed here. I don't know where I have to go to. I didn't know you can buy this in America now. This is one of my most favorite outdoor brands in Europe. But now it's...
Please attend to children and watch your step.
Baggage claim. Baggage claim. Layering up is important when it's so cold. Bag number 1. And bag number 2, I think. Did holiday? Alright. Wait. It's so cold. Hi. I'm looking for friends. That's causing the problem. People just parking where they're not supposed to park.
You want to say shit?
I said shit.
Doesn't sound like shit, but sounded like shit.
I can bleep it.
Okay. I mean, you can say shit if you want to.
Don't say shit.
Oh, shucks.
Okay, I said that. Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks. I'm a bad actor.